Want to look 10 years younger today? Modern razor shag with wispy curtain bangs. Ideal for oval faces seeking volume. This style restores youthful energy using razor-cut layers that frame the cheeks seamlessly. Edgy platinum wolf cut shag. Perfect for fine hair needing drama. These contrasting short crown layers instantly create the visual illusion of a natural facelift. Voluminous curly shag with crown height. Best suited for naturally curly textures. This cut lifts sagging facial lines by directing maximum bounce right to the crown area. Soft feathered shag with bottleneck bangs. Designed for mature women, these delicate feathered layers soften sharp jawlines while adding a light youthful motion to everyday looks. Short choppy shag Pixie hybrid. Great for heart-shaped faces. This cropped cut accentuates cheekbones and cuts daily styling time down to just a few seconds. Shoulder-length shag with copper balayage. Which haircut was your absolute favorite so far? Leave the number in the comments. This style draws attention directly to the eyes. 70s retro shag with flip-out ends. Suitable for long face shapes, flicked ends widen narrow cheek lines while bringing back a vibrant retro energy to your outfit. Salt and pepper silver shag. Perfect for natural grays, this heavily textured cut highlights silver tones while eliminating flat limp hair in minutes. Messy shag bob with wispy side-swept bangs. Ideal for women over 40, this playful short bob conceals forehead lines while lifting the jawline with effortless texture. Long flowing shag with wispy micro bangs. Best for maintaining length without extra weight. These cascading layers create modern movement for a bold youth-restoring look. Two-tone mullet shag. Designed for edgy personalities, contrasting top and bottom tones create instant visual depth that takes years off your face. Tousled blonde shag with shadow roots. Great for low-maintenance beauty. Shadow roots give a natural sun-kissed feel while choppy ends boost overall hair thickness. Razor-cut medium shag with full fringe. Which hairstyle hit the mark for you? Don't forget to write the number in the comments. Full fringe softly frames your eyes. Short textured asymmetrical shag. Ideal for round face shapes. Uneven side layers break facial symmetry to draw focus away from fine lines effortlessly. Golden caramel shag with see-through bangs. Best for warm skin tones. Light airy bangs soften the forehead while golden highlights restore radiance to your skin. Wispy shoulder shag for fine hair. Specially crafted for thin hair. Pixie ends add physical texture and maximum movement, without taking away overall density. Heavy layered curly shag with side volume. Perfect for natural waves, fuller side volume balances long faces while creating an effortless chic everyday silhouette. Choppy pastel pink shag. Great for adventurous women. Soft pastel tones brighten dull complexions, while messy layers deliver playful youthfulness. Soft modern shag with wispy framing. Drop a comment with the number of your favorite look. Subtle face framing layers enhance natural beauty with zero daily hassle. Layered shag lob with curtain bangs. Best for medium lengths, this long bob hybrid gives structure, hides neck wrinkles, and provides a polished youthful finish.